What is trending in the field of social psychology?
In the 21st century, several trends are helping to shape the current landscape and the future of social psychology. One trend is the recognition that social behavior is influenced by many factors within the individual, including their emotions, motivations, and cognitions. Sometimes these factors conflict. We can be motivated to be right, at the same time we're motivated to be humble. This conflict can then influence our feelings, which can then affect our thoughts. Social psychologists are interested in learning more about these interactions and the complexities of social behavior. Sometimes these factors are guided by automatic processes, and other times by more controllable processes. Social psychologists are interested in identifying the nature of these processes and how they're influenced by social situations. Another trend worth mentioning is applying biological perspectives to the study of social psychology, such as with gender differences, attraction and affiliation, and aggression. As a result, several interdisciplinary fields have emerged in the last few decades. Social neuroscientists study the interactions between neural and social processes. Behavioral geneticists study the effects of genes on behavior, including non-social and social thoughts, feelings, and actions. For instance, to what extent are attitudes or personality traits inherited? Evolutionary psychologists examine how humans have adapted over time and how their behaviors help them survive and reproduce. For example, how does the need to return a favor help humans survive? Why do so many people have this need? What is the function of this need? Together, these newer fields of study contribute unique perspectives to the explanation of human behavior. Another trend is to study the role of culture in shaping individuals' psychology. Culture includes the shared beliefs, values, assumptions, and practices of a group of people. The members of a culture are likely similar in how it affects them. There are two broad categories of culturally focused research. Cross-cultural studies collect data from people in many different cultures and examine the similarities and differences between the cultures. Multicultural studies collect data from two or more groups within a single culture and compare those groups. Multicultural studies collect data from a single culture, from two or more groups within that culture, and compare those groups within the culture. Both types of research help social psychologists understand the effects of culture, as well as the generalizability of its theories. Some of its original ideas do not work in other cultures or in modern times. Several other interdisciplinary fields continue to shape social psychology with their insights. Behavioral economists investigate economic decision-making, how people make finance-related decisions. The field of embodied cognition looks at the connections between the mind and the body. Some studies suggest that washing our hands can make us feel less guilty, or that drinking too much coffee can make us think we're more nervous than we would be without the coffee. Some social psychologists collaborate with political scientists to examine the intersection between the two. How does an individual's attitudes affect their decision to vote in an election? How do other people's reactions to a candidate affect an individual's judgments of that candidate? The final trend worth mentioning in this section of the lecture is technological advancements. Things like brain imaging, dialogue coding, virtual reality, and social media have changed the way researchers conduct their studies and the topics they investigate. Social psychologists use brain imaging techniques like positron emission tomography and functional magnetic resonance imaging to see images of the brain while people complete simple research tasks. They use dialogue coding to speed up the data analysis process. They use virtual reality technology to recreate situations that are impossible, impractical, or unethical to recreate in real life. And finally, they use social media to both collect data and as a target of investigation. They are interested in the relationship between social media and social behavior, both online and in real life. These and other technological advancements will continue to drive change in many areas of science in the decades to come. Now that you've reviewed the past, present, and future of social psychology, you are ready to learn more about its research methods in the next lecture.